Meaning of funerary.
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 Funerary. Funerary is an adjective that refers to things relating to funerals or the deceased. It can describe anything that is associated with, used for, or done in connection with a funeral or burial, such as funerary rites, traditions, or objects like coffins or urns. This term is often used to describe art or architecture that has been created specifically for funerary purposes. In short, funerary encompasses all aspects of death and the rituals surrounding it, providing a solemn reminder of the universal human experience of mortality.